Good afternoon and welcome to the Edge Market Update for the close after October 13th, 2023. And we had the October WASDE report that was released yesterday. The USDA lowered the U.S. corn and soybean yield more than the trade had anticipated, and also the ending stocks came lower than the trade estimated as well. That caused a bullish reaction in commodities after the report was released yesterday. Did have a bit of profit taking today at the end of the week and have some risk going on overseas. But overall, bulls did make some very nice progress in both corn and soybeans, bouncing off of lows after the report. For new crop corn, we closed at 493 on Friday, down a couple of cents, but we do have this long range since August, this U-shaped pattern that we have held on new crop corn, and we did close above that today on Friday. I would like to see us continue to travel up this trend line here and attack that $5 resistance per bushel, and really would like to see us break out above that level. Targets in mind for right now would be that $5.20 to $5.30, $5.30 range per bushel. But we'll continue to have some fundamental news that's bullish that comes in. But we did have some pretty nice bullish volume, high volume that came in on Thursday after that report. In regards to strength indicators, still have this long-term bullish divergence on strength indicators, and in the short term even have some nice bullish trend forming here, approaching some stronger levels on RSI that haven't been seen since back in July, when price was trading up in the mid $5 range. So that's very good to see. Some positive developments forming here on strength indicators. Money flows did bounce off of a neutral position and look to be attacking that strong overbought range again. Hopefully can follow through next week on price. And long-term momentum, we crossed here back in early September, and now we are pretty close to a long-term neutral reading, still a little bit under neutral in negative territory, but certainly a lot better position than we were for the long-term position of this market than we were 2 months ago. Really would like to see these moving averages hold next week. We are above the 9, the 20, and the 50-day moving averages, so that is a good thing for bulls. But if we were to give up this trend line next week and the moving averages, that would make it seem like it was a fake breakout. But again, would really like to see us attack and get above $5 next week so we can start the process of potentially moving towards that $5.20 to $5.30 range, which would be a very good spot given where we've been the past couple of months. Moving on to new crop soybeans. We also had a very nice positive reaction out of the WASDE report yesterday. Did see profit taking today, but as you can see, we are bounced off the support of this longer range that we've been in since June. This is long range support in that 1255 to 1250 area, and it was good to see us bounce. We did reclaim the 9-day moving average here at the end of the week, but we still are trading under the 20-day and the 50-day. So would really like to see us overcome these levels. And we also have this negative trend line from price that's been formed. Next week, would really like to see us get above that $13 area to start moving towards the 50-day moving average, which is currently $13.25. But would really continue to like to see this 1272 area hold, or else we might be going back down to the 1250 range. A lot of bullish volume came in on this contract the day that the WASDE report was released, so that was really good to see. Strength indicators are forming some shorter-term positive divergence here, so also a positive development. And actually, we're very weak the past couple of weeks, but we are moving back towards a neutral reading here, so that's a good thing to see. Money flows, we also are moving higher, and we're actually at a neutral range. Hopefully can continue to see a move up here with price follow through to the strong readings up here. long-term momentum is still in negative territory, but is trying to turn back up, it looks like. So again, would really like to see a test of this $13 range next week and potentially break out to that $13.25 level. That would be a nice thing to see for bulls moving forward as harvest progress continues. About half the U.S. crop is taken out on soybeans, and we're probably pretty close to about 40% of U.S. corn taken out. With that, thank you for watching. Thank you for your business. If you have any questions, please contact us anytime. Have a great weekend.